Hi, I'm Mabel Verghese of third year chemical engineering from Hindustan College of Engineering. So I'm here with the production of single cell protein, an innovation idea. So let's check it out. So today when you see in a local market, the people are throwing away the waste fruits and vegetable, expired one. So it increases the carbon emission. So instead of throwing it away, we are collecting it directly from them and we are introducing it into the biogas plant. Now, as we know, biogas plant produces a huge number of gases, mainly methane. Now, how these are produced? It is produced by bacteria present in anaerobic condition. So now we are collecting this methane and storing it in a tank. From there, we are introducing it into a reactor or a fermentation tank. In this fermentation tank, we are using a biotechnology process. There will be a person specially recruited for this. He will be checking all the required targeted, like all the required measurements to be kept, time and everything will be checked. Mainly, we are introducing the feed as mineral, water, methane, nitrogen, and oxygen. Of course, methane is the most important one, so we'll be using it to ferment single cell to produce it in a large amount. So there, after every hourly check, there will be small debris or dead cells or even waste produced. So we will be collecting it out separately and the rest will be again fermented according to the targeted goals. After that, we will be sending it to the flash evaporator where the water will be separated out and some amount of water will be left over. That will be taken to heat treatment where the temperature will be maintained. Then there it will be sent to centrifugation tank where the water is again separated and the product is again sent to the spray drying tank where it will be dried and made into the powder and it will be collected. In single cell powder, we will be taking it to the prilling section where it can be made into a tablet, and from there it will be going to the testing lab where it will be analyzing how good it is, how the quality, the quantity, and the size, shape, everything will be tested. If the product is success, it will be sold in the market at cheap rate. Once if the test is a failure, it will be done again. The entire process will be repeated again and we will be testing it again. This is the main part of the innovation. Now the main part of the innovation is we are using methane from the biogas plant to produce single cell. Now how it is related to sustainability. Now how this sustainability development goal comes in this innovation idea. According to United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, there is zero hunger climate action, where climate action is in the sense the carbon emission, reducing carbon emission. How we will reduce? We will be collecting waste from the local market so that we are reducing their carbon emission, and we are reducing the hunger of large, producing the single cell in a large quantity where people can afford a bit more. So we can reduce malnutrition in many countries, and even good health and well-being is another factor. So these three factors are met up by this innovation idea. So this is my project. Thank you for listening to me and my ideas.